welcome to another episode of Ww2 Rifle Works. Now, we haven't got the truck here today because this is going to be the new workshop and we're moving in here. So the first job I've had to do is get my trowel out and start concreting the floor. Well, I think it's called postcreting it. But anyway, because I've already made a start, but in here was all the broken floor. So before I do any more truck work or Jeep work or anything like that, I need to fix the floor. So let's get on and do that first. So in here we've got the postcrete. This is doing the floor. I'm just gonna fill the bucket up. And pouring that into this bucket. Just adding some water. Here's me talking like I know what I'm going on about. I haven't got a clue. Add some water, don't know how much. Mix it up. More of this. You got 15 minutes. Well, no, 5 to 10 minutes actually. So 5 to 10 minutes, pretty quick. That is if you've got the right amount of water in and the right mixture, which I've no idea if I have. Pour it out. Like that. Get your smoothing thing. Tell you what, this is so satisfying. But I forgot to film it before, but there was a massive hole here, which I've had to fill. The hole was like from here. I say hole, it was just like broken floor. Fixed. You can put your heater back on now if you want.
But at least it's warm around the fire.
Hey, if we're underwater, how could there be a...
Oh, you've skidded in it now. Harley.
Oh, Bob.
Tit.
Let him put his foot down in the water.
Has he farted? It's all loose now, it's just one bolt left, which is seized. I have cracked it and it's gone. There we go. Well, we've got my granddad here, we're drafting in some more help. What do you think? It's good to see you.
Yeah, very, very, very good.
Looks awesome. Yeah. Where it's very thin, if you've got, depends how much you've got underneath here really. How well it will do.
I got my granddad here because I haven't got a clue what I'm doing. So I don't know what I'm doing. So what do you reckon about my floor then? Do you like my floor? Yeah?
I like the floor, yes. It's very flat, the floor, and it's very low.
Thanks to Grandad.
It's low to the ground, the floor.
So he's going to be helping me with the workshop and getting everything ready, getting everything sorted. Got the trowel in hand.
Very minuscule wages.
So yeah, no, we've got the floor sorted.
Oh, that's it, Grandad. Chuck the ground.
We've got the floor sorted.
We're
going to get it painted next, to make it look nice. What do you reckon?
Yeah. I now get back to the gardening.
You get back to the gardening.
Jolly.
So whilst we've been fixing the floor in the new workshop, during the night we had quite a lot of snow. And the truck has been left outside. So we've got to start thawing it out so we can get it back in and carry on with the bodywork. This is unexpected. I've not covered anything up and I'm not ready. Alright, the snow's gone. We've got the truck inside. We've got the floor finished. And the Jeep's moved in because he's got some engine problems, so we're going to go through that at some point. We've just got to finish off a little bit of bodywork there, but I'm waiting for the engine covers to come back. They've been shot blasted, and so is the bonnet, because there was, well, the hood, if you want to be American, had so much filler on it. I just thought, look, it's just going to save some time, so decided to get that shot blasted. So that's going to come back next couple of days. Get some paint on this door, and then the cab's done then, and I can get everything else back together. It's time to take off the searchlight. Inside is a plate. Yeah, loose.
So they're still connected on the wires.
I let you undo one fucking knot.
It's off!
Is it? Yeah. Do that with your mess so it pulls the wing in.
Thanks. So we've got the bodywork finished now. We managed to paint all that up. The cab's pretty much all painted now at this stage. We can start getting the wings back on and the hood back on. Probably should plug those holes, which I haven't done. What do you reckon?
Mate, it looks mint.
As for this old Aussie steed, we've got something going on with the engine, so it's only turning 180 degrees and then going solid. So there's some engine issues that we're going to have to look at with that. And to help us, we do have an original 1944 manual, so we can go through and find out all the specifications and find out why this engine's not turning over and find out what the problem is and do it the army way. That's going to be an interesting repair. God, how cold it is in here. I just want to say thanks for watching. I'm going to leave that video there and try and get some parts ordered for the Jeep, get some parts ordered for the truck, and start taking these things apart and get into some more mechanical side of things with the next video. Yeah, just get some more stuff done. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and tell all your friends. See you in the next video.